Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. So in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you that if there's a way to make your Twitter likes private on your iPhone devices. So without any further ado, let's get started. And to know whether there's a method to make your Twitter likes private on iPhone devices or not, go to your Twitter application. So just browse someone's profile. For example, let's just browse this account. So here's how things work on Twitter. So if you have liked someone's tweet, so theoretically everybody will be able to see that. And currently Twitter doesn't allow to make your likes private on iPhone. So what you can do about is to just create a new account. Let's call it a fake account. If you want, you can create a new account for just browsing purposes. So guys, using that fake account, you can browse anything on Twitter and you can like or comment on anyone's tweet without caring about the impression they will have on your friends or just random people. So Twitter currently doesn't allow you to make your Twitter likes private on iPhone. So that was it for today. I hope that you loved this video, because if you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.